the channel. Today is the tune day for the STI that we've been working on recently. This is the 19 STI FP black car, just at the turbo and fuel system over the last few days. And I'm currently trying to limp it out to the tuner, who is Josh Bader, by the way, over at BBR. And I don't think I'm gonna make it. This car runs like absolute dog poop right now because it still has the map on it from the 1300cc injectors and the stock map sensor.
I need a tune.
Only you would try to drive a car with completely different setup. Is that a Cobb OTS map that you got going on over there?
It is.
Where you changed every part possible and tried to drive it?
Truck looks good though.
Right?
Much better.
I only had about 200 people come up and ask for money today.
Oh wow. It's because you're rich.
I'm broke.
So while Josh puts a base map on this thing so we can actually make it to the dyno, I'm gonna grab 15 gallons of E85. We're doing a flex fuel map, so pump gas first, and then as soon as we're done with pump, we drain the pump and fill it up with E85. I know the trunk's a mess right now. I'm in the middle of fixing it. I think E85 prices went down a little bit. It used to be like $5.49, I think. Or maybe it's $4.49, I don't know. Still expensive either way.
What'd you figure out with my tune?
I figured out that we ain't got no fuel pressure there, bud.
We do now though.
What'd you do? Hook up your pump backwards?
Probably. It's me and fuel pumps. I always got problems.
She is all strapped down, ready to go. If you did not watch the last video, a quick breakdown of the car. Stock motor with pistons. It's the only thing done to the motor. Dyno 2200s, FP black, and dual 340 pumps. With Bader on the tune.
Where's that tuner at? Bader, we need 600 today.
600 today. What do I give you just shy of 7?
That'll work.
All right. To the moon we go.
As long as it makes more power than Bobby's car, I'll be happy. Is it gonna make more?
I can make that happen.
All right. Say less.
100%. You having fun yet?
I am having fun, Josh. I'm fixing all your mistakes.
Thanks.
Since you put my fuel system in, right?
This guy. You know, I'm having a lot of fun watching you all pull all these fuel systems every time you come in.
Yeah. Well, you see, I'm just trying to clean the dyno for you.
I figured.
Fuel.
Or you're trying to just burn the shop to the ground.
And the cars to the ground.
And the cars. We were turning the car, just wrapping it up, and I was going through doing drivability, setting up all the SI drive modes. And I went ahead and tipped into our sport map, which is 20 pounds. And I was just watching where it was hitting on the VE map. And it was definitely going a bit leaner than I would liked. It started out like in the 12s, 12.2, 12.0. And then I did it one last time and it was 14s. And obviously I let out immediately. Looked over at fuel pressure, solid, 18 PSI.
It blew the line.
All right.
Guaranteed.
I'm guessing that you used non-fuel injection line.
But they're not fuel injection clamps. They're the clamps that come with
Not fuel injection clamps? Come on.
They came with the freaking fuel pump, son.
I'm ready.
I gotta conserve my fuel at this rate. Do you have a drain pan? What? What?
I don't got a drain panel. I just said I was bitching at Chase for cleaning it.
I thought you were laughing because you saw the problem and it was funny.
No, the problem is you're touching it.
What, Subaru?
No, just you.
Oh.
Run.
Forrest, run! I feel like
I'll go.
TMT running around.
You look very environmental. Thanks.
The EPA could suck.
You're taking notes from your own sweat, or?
Alright, here's the
Oh, full
inspection
sample.
table. You don't need to take that off. What you doing?
Yeah, rookie tech.
Well, I don't like these old style hangers.
I don't like you.
Don't you still have the old style in your car?
No, I have the new style.
Where'd you get that?
He's lying. He's
You
coming
take
up.
Remy's?
No, I have mine.
He's coming up with a lie.
I think so.
Pump went bad.
That's.
Those things look pretty complete there, guy. No, there's some fuel.
I see fuel right there.
Is
Question
it broken?
Broken.
It's a little bit suspect. We're gonna just go ahead and disconnect this.
Well, at least they labeled the problem. Fader, you clamps fucking my days. There you go. It's focusing on it now.
The problem is it's that BVR tune shop.
No, look at the fitment in there. Your problem is you need some 450s in there.
I can't.
Those things are rod knocking their way over.
I can't
in the
afford
hanger.
450s. Are you shitting me?
You seeing the prices of those things?
Yeah, dude.
It seems pretty soft.
It is soft.
What kind of line is that? What do you?
It came with the
That
fuel.
is.
It came with the fuel.
No,
I'll
no
show
way.
you. I'll show you. Put the goddamn camera down.
Dog.
Dog.
You need some real line in your life. Where did
It
that?
came with the.
This is what it should have on it.
That shit's way too thick. I ain't
No.
trying to make that much power.
We're trying to just make power. That's your turbo. That's your teal. Alright, my assumption is this hose. Go focus on this damn thing. Camera. God, I hate these things for this.
You hate nice cameras?
Well, it doesn't focus for a damn.
Your
This is
GoPro
My GoPro focuses just fine on
it
shit.
focuses on everything because it's a pile of dick.
It's great. Okay,
It is
pal.
great.
So, this thing here that I'm holding in my hand that you can't see is this little hose.
This hose.
Oh, fuck you. Alright, so my assumption is it's coming out because this doesn't look like really a fuel rated hose when I can sit there and bend it like vacuum line.
It's kind of like
So-
a wheelie.
We went ahead, got him the correct fuel hose here. Nice ribbed, special. Nice not be able to push.
It's not gonna change anything.
Well, at least it's helping. Then we put the right clamps on it.
Motherfucker, these are clamps.
Yeah, well, those clamps, you can't get them tight enough, so.
Yeah, I agree. They're pretty
You need
trash.
this.
Now put those on there so I can crimp it on there.
When's your birthday?
Already happened.
That sucks.
Yeah.
Thanks for the invite.
Yeah. Sick invite,
You
bro.
didn't even. You weren't even gonna come. Guaranteed.
Damn,
Me?
I did
Yeah.
go.
I would
I
never-
forgot.
Yeah.
I would come if you invited me, but whatever.
If you would have lubed that, it would have went on.
Okay, leave it. Put your fucking Diet Coke on it. What the hell?
Dog, no, brake cleaner. Change your life. I promise.
Y'all know secret? I actually had to use that on the inlet.
We'll put it in there before it
Oh.
evaporates.
Fuck. Same. Yeah, it's coming. It's squirting on me.
Now you took too long and it dried.
You know what? I'm reading my hoodie. Chase, do it.
I told you were going to ruin that hoodie this morning.
Well, I didn't know I was gonna be working all day. I thought we were dooners.
You're the professional at the camera.
Chase is struggling.
Why are you struggling? At least I know I'll be able to clamp it now. Hey, I need that.
You want some gloves?
No. I'm gonna die of cancer anyways.
Don't say that.
Above the line.
Well, how are you supposed to crimp it then?
Well, you can't put it down that far, dumbass.
Well, that's where it goes.
Well, you have to have it up high enough to put it in the tool.
You're not even opened.
It helps if you...
Now bring it down.
I can't go down.
Right there.
Alright, I'm going. Jesus Christ.
Hard.
I'm fucking going, bitch. It's gonna crush the whole assembly. Is that on?
Hopefully.
Alright.
Well, I mean,
We'll find out in 2 minutes.
it's not doing that like 360. Oh, nope, it's definitely
Stop turning it. You're gonna turn the fucking clamp right off the thing.
It definitely is not on. It could have turned.
What?
Try tightening some more.
Dude, it's a one-click done. I can't crimp it any further. Give me your fucking... You ruined everything.
First, he destroys our flex fuel sensor, and now he goes to fix my fuel pump, and he breaks the bitch in half. Look at this kid.
Oh,
Dude, that thing's-
spring.
You're gonna get
I
a
think it might work now.
you're gonna get a pretty big bill after today. We're going opposites today.
Do you need a rental?
Do you have a D-Up 300?
No.
Can
We
we
don't
do?
use that shit here.
Can we use one 340 and one 450?
You can.
Perfect.
We don't have any 340s though.
Or 450s.
Or
What do you have? You got,
None.
you got 255?
No, we might have a 450 in here.
No, I used it on
Oh, I
Justin's.
threw it
I
away.
really don't feel like going to my shop right now. That sounds like a pain in the ass.
After 10 hours, that's how it's supposed to look.
Beautiful, Josh. 2 new pumps for safety measure. 4 new clamps, 2 new hose.
The right clamps up top.
Yes.
So, fingers crossed. We don't have to retune the whole car. All right, get that thing back in there.
You told me one time about a trick with the seal. The dot goes where or something?
The little beveled spot, that thing always goes towards the front.
That's just
Only took you 30 years.
Should we do a quick mock-up or, oh, Lord.
Mock-up? What, are you trying to put one nut on it and tighten it? Trouble. Hey, Karen's thumbnail. Well,
What's up, guy?
What's happening?
you ready for power or what?
What happened?
What happened, Willis?
You fixed it.
You had a clog in your line. I don't know what happened. It's fixed now. It's at 53. I don't know what fixed it. We've had this fuel laner out about 4 fucking times, and we're still having fuel pressure drop issues.
But we know why.
Our fuel is overheating, and I know there's gonna be a fucking ton of comments in here right now. That's why you don't run both pumps at the same time. No fucking shit. Maybe you should make better pumps that can run at the same fucking time, and we wouldn't have this fucking problem. Fuck your hop switch.
I can see where your hair's falling out.
It's falling out by the fucking second tonight. You can't. I'm
So
counting strands.
what the hell did we do? We took out the D-dubs and we did AEMs.
We put AM 340s in. I have used these before, and I've used them both on at the same time before, and I didn't have this.
It was dropping, give them a reference. It was like 10 PSI every couple minutes.
Yeah, it was pretty bad. We started out at 53, then it was staying pretty consistently at 50, and from 50 it was dropping in 10 minutes down to like into 30s.
Yeah, pretty rough.
Bad.
Which obviously when fuel
And
pressure
this was
drops,
hot as fuck. Here.
when fuel pressure drops, that messes with everything.
Yeah, usually it's weird. It's like your car gets leaner.
Yeah. So we got AEMs in, and we'll see if Bader fixed the problem again.
I hope so.
You're fixing all my problems today.
I don't know. I don't feel very sure about this one.
What do we got?
46 PSI. How much power you want to make? So much power that you got to cool your fuel pumps between every hit. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. We're at 43 PSI and dropping.
So your AEMs did not fix the problem.
I don't know about that yet. It's 44. That's where your D-dubs were at, was 44.
Time for some E85.
What are the final numbers on pump? 400 something?
Yeah, it's like 402.
Unplug the damn gate.
It's 2 a.m. and we tired.
E85 is in the vehicle, and we are going to send it to the moon. If all goes smooth, it's going to be about 3 or 4 pulls, and we'll be done. This is the moon. We're going for the moon on this pull. This is going to be 538 wheel. That's the moon.
That was a lot of rain.
You ready for this?
Ready.
What's your number? Guess your number.
516.
538. Oh, you're way closer. That's
Damn.
weak.
511. What do you mean
it.
that's weak? That's more than Bobby's car.
That's weak. Turn it up. So this pole right here is the official moon tune of this car. There's not much left in it. We're gonna hit about 33, 34 pounds, and if it hits that, we're done. So it only made it made 511 last pull, which is a lot for a Mustang dyno. But let's see what she does. Josh wanted one more degree up top and to lean it, or to richen it up a tiny bit. So now we're doing one more last pull. It made 525.3 wheel horsepower and 510 or 508.5 foot-pounds of torque. So that's pretty solid numbers. Not quite as much as I wanted, but we do have stock rods in this motor, so we got to keep her together. What happened?
They went full lean.
So last pull, it lost the fuel pressure regulator line, unfortunately, but that's all fixed up and we are ready for the very last pull of the night. We are ending the night at 528 wheel horsepower and 508 foot-pounds of torque. Now I know I said I wanted at least 550 wheel, at least I think that's what I said, but this is a stock motor for the most part and I really do not want to blow this thing up. And we are pretty much maxed out on this turbo anyway, so we're going to call it a night right there. I think we're going to go for a quick rip, maybe in tomorrow's video. I don't know about tonight. It's freaking late. We've been on the dyno for 13 hours today.
Damn, that's a lot of torque. I about fucking went off the dyno sideways.
Alright boys, we are all finished up on the dyno for the day. It's crazy to think that this car makes more power than Bobby's car with the ETS kit. Granted, we're just running a 58 mil turbo on that car, but these little FP blacks definitely do put out, made about 30 more wheel than Bob's car. So final numbers were 530 and like 510.